Okay, good evening, to sir, Hafiz. Today we're gonna present about our mini projects, report, and slide video presentations. Okay, before we start our presentation, allow us to introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Fabian Singh, matrix number 20 DE 19F 2012.
Okay, my name is Awangku and my nometrics is 20 DE 19 F 2017.
Okay, for our mini project contents, there's three items in our mini project contents, which is the first one, task one. There's two unit LED blinking with Arduino Uno that we need to be construct or build. And then for task two, we need to do a model traffic signal, which is four junctions or four sites. And the last one, task three is which is the line follower robot.
Okay, I will present for the task one. Okay, in this task one, the title for the task one is two unit LED blinking with Arduino Uno. So this is the list of component. We using two LED, one Arduino Uno, one USB cable, one breadboard, and one jumper wire. Okay, for the block diagram, you can see here this is our block diagram and schematic circuit and circuit wiring. This is our schematic circuit and schematic wiring, as you can see in the picture. Okay, next slide. Must explain how circuit being operated and explain how to construct wiring circuit. Okay. In here picture, you can see step one until step six. For the step one, uh, put two LED with resistor on the breadboard. Step two, loop the wire from anode LED and cathode LED to resistor. For the step 3, from resistor connect to Arduino Uno. Step 4, construct the coding. And step 5, upload the coding into the Arduino Uno. And step 6, display the task 1. So this is our video, step 5 and step 6. We upload the coding into the Arduino Uno and display the task. So we go to the next slide. Okay, algorithm task one. This is our algorithm task one, and this is procedure code for task one. This is our flowchart for this program. We from start and anti red and red, yellow, green, pin mode LED. This is our process, and digital LED delay 500. This is our data and okay. Uh, in this slide, programming explanation of each line of code. So in the coding, we declare LED one equals to one. One is for the pin mode of Arduino number one, and the LED two equals to two. Two is pin mode for Arduino Uno two. So we declare LED one and LED two output in void setup, and we going to use a void loop to digital write LED one height when LED one height, LED one low when LED two height, LED low. All have delay 500 seconds. This means when LED 1 high, LED 2 will be low. When LED 1 low, LED 2 will be high. The delay is 100 seconds. So we here are done compiling and upload to the Arduino Uno. So this is our video demonstration. Uh, you can click this button to see our video demonstration. So I will pass next slide to Fabian Tiong, my friend. Hello, hi. My name is.
Okay, for task two, we are been asked to do model specific signal, which is 4 junctions. So the list of our components is Arduino Uno. We are using four 220 ohm resistor and hook up wires to breadboard, which is we need to combine it to do the 4 junctions, and four red LED, also with for yellow and green LED. Okay, this is our block diagram, which is we are starting with Arduino and then continues to breadboard, resistance, and to the four LED. So as you can see, this is our schematic diagrams. Okay, this is the step that we do for or construct the wirings. For step one, we prepare the material, which is the first pictures, and step two, as you can see in the pictures, we put our LED and resistor on the breadboard and arrange it by group by the junctions. And step three, we connect the ground together and will combine it uh, combine it into one ground, and we plug it into the Arduino. So for step four, as you can see in the picture, we loop the wires from cathode LED to input resistor. And step five, from anode LED, we connect it to the Arduino Uno, which is the terminals lah. And for step six, we construct the coding and upload it into our Arduino Uno. And step seven, we display the output, the 4 junctions traffic light. Okay, this is the algorithm for task two. We are starting with start, use variable, declare pin mode, printf, and so on until stop. The difference between this task algorithm and physical code, the physical code is more details about how our tasks are being processed in the coding. Okay, this is the flowchart, which is we are starting with start, and we declare the LED, which is the red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, greens, and this is the process pin mode LED and digital white LED. We put the delay 1000 seconds, and this is the data for we are using the for statement, and then we do the process digital right and delay 500 seconds, and we end. Okay, for the coding, uh, here we need to declare the LED terminals. As you can see, here we are declaring the LED 1 until 4 because we are using our different LED, and we are using this many LED, so we need to declare the terminals. So here we starting with terminal 1 until terminals 12 for LEDs lah, which contains red, yellow, and green. And then we declaring the pin mode. LED has the output for each LED, uh, until the fourth LED, and then we loop it and it's and we compile it and upload it to the Arduino Uno. You can plug you can plug the video for more details about the explanations. Because there's a video here.
Hi, I'm Awangku.
Okay, this is the video for demonstrations. You can play it and to see the output of this video. This is how we construct and explain how the wirings and the circuit being operated.
Okay, we going to the next slide. Here we do the task tree. The title of the task tree is line follower robots. So this is a list of component and equipment. You can see in the picture have to in the left side is our component and the right side is our equipment. So first is jumper wire. You can see here is jumper wire. Number two is Arduino Uno. Number three, USB cable. Number four is IR sensor. You can see here at the in it color blue one. And number five is motor driver, the red one. You can hear. And two battery with 6,800 mAh, and it have 3.7 volt Li ion. So the battery is so good for the uh, line for our robots. And number seven is all equipment for robot. You can see here our equipment for our robot. And number eight is multimeter. Number nine, cutter for the cut our wires. And number 10, soldering equipment. In this picture, we don't have our soldering equipment because it too dangerous to put on the table. So number 11, test pen, and number 12, screwdriver. So this is our block diagram for the task tree. You can see here, this is our supply. Go to Arduino, then go to motor driver and motor left and motor right. Then finally it go to IR sensor left and IR sensor right. And you can see in this picture on the bottom is our schematic circuit and circuit wiring. Okay, in this slide, we must to explain how circuit being operated and explain how to construct wiring circuit. Okay, this is step 1, step 2, step 3 until step 9. This is our picture. Okay, for the step 1, prepare the equipment and materials. Step 2, solder the wires positive and negative motor gear. Step 3, install the motor gear with wheel on the chassis. Step 4, connect the positive and negative wire from motor gear to motor driver. And step 5, stick the battery casing, the positive and negative wire to the motor driver. This means loop the positive wire to motor driver and negative wire to the switch, and the switch go to motor driver. So I have a correction in this uh, sentence. And step 6, loop the connector motor driver into Arduino. This means from motor driver have two types, board connector. This means have 12 volt and 5 volt. So from the battery or power supply, connect to 12 volt. Then from 5 volt from motor driver into the Arduino Uno. So step 7, install the IR sensor implant the chassis and the bottom chassis. You can, okay, this is our flow chart. Oh wait, I skipped the, okay, sorry. And number step 9 is display the chassis. Okay, this is our algorithm for task 3. We start first and use variable mode and declare left and right sensor. Number 4 is declare pin mode. Pin mode MOT is motor. So number 5 is declare pin mode left and right. And number 6 declare analog right. Number 7 declare digital read for left and right. And number 10 declare INT, uh, PREAV and RPEV left and right. Then number 11 will be stop. So algorithm task 3 and procedure task 3 are so many difference. When in the procedure code, it will be detailed more about the coding. The algorithm is the simplified from the coding. So we go to the next slide. Our flow chart from start until end. So this circle is a connector. Uh, go down from start, go down, connector to the up, go down, and connector to the until the end. So this is our flow chart. So for the programming explanation of each line of code, here I have put some video about explanation of each line of code. You can see, you can touch the
So,
button,
evening.
play, and you will be
Okay,
listen the
one
our explaining about each line of code
experiment
in this
again.
video. So you can just press the play button. We go to the next
So,
slide. Okay, this is a line follower robot track 1, and we use flat 10 degree, not 10, 0 degree track with two corner. The corner is 135 degree. Both corner A and B are flat. This means 0 degree. And please use white A4 paper and black tape. So in this picture, the paper is green, but uh, on the question, we must use the white A4 paper. So line follower robot track 2 is different. Uh, the track also same like track 1, but corner B must climb at 30 degrees and going down at 30 degrees. So at E have different over there lah. So I will pass next slide to my friend Fabian.
Okay, this is our video demonstrations, which is you need to you can play it if you want to see it. So here we are demonstrate how our task is being operated.
step one.
Okay, for discussions. While doing task one, we are facing few problems which we want to build and construct the circuit, which is one of our LED burn out because in the circuit we are not using the resistor, which is the 220 ohm, to protect the LED, uh, because it over voltage. And for solution, we add on two resistor 220 ohm to our LED. And in this topic, we are using looping statement in chapter 4. And for task 2, we are facing some problems, which is our ground is at the wrong terminals, and our LED is not functioning well and not following the sequence that we have been programmed. And for the solution, we have been changed our ground terminal to the negative or port ground GND, and we change the terminal of our LED by following the sequence, which is the red, yellow, green, and on the coding that have been given. And in this task, we are using looping statement and four statements in chapter 4. Okay, last for the last one, task 3. We also facing a few problem in our task 3, which is our sensor did not detecting well, because it cannot detect the line or tab that have been provided. So for solution, we have add or modified our track, which is we widen the line or tab on the track. And in this task, we are using looping statement for an if statement, which is in chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay, so conclusions. In these conclusions, we have achieved all our objectives of our mini projects by completing all the tasks that have been given to us. We also be able to apply the fundamental programming into our circuit, and we also be able to take DEC 453, which is embedded system applications in sem 4, and DEC 50122 embedded robotic in sem 5. After also for our future final year project, DE 402 and DE 50102, we are planning to do a smart house project, which is Awang Amirul projects, and my project is hydroponics.
So that's all from
Group
my
and
group, and thank you.
you. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank